Hi first graders, Mrs. Schomber here, and today we're going to complete some week 6 of our yellow book phonics, okay? So let's play some games and listen to the directions and try the best that you can. And make sure you're talking to the computer screen and we'll see how you do. Good luck. For our first game, I'm going to say 3 words. 2 of the words rhyme. So I'm going to say the 3 words and then I'm going to be quiet and I need you to just tell me the 2 words that rhyme. One of them doesn't rhyme. So only say the 2 words that do rhyme. For example, I might say lip, trip, bee. And then I'll be quiet and you should think. And then you'll say lip, trip. Because those are the 2 that rhymed. All right, let's get started. Go, cob, job. And the only 2 that rhyme were cob, job. See, say, day. The answer was say, day. But, pan, ran. Pan, ran. Not, age, page. Age, page. Shoe, pie, tie. Pie, tie. She, mow, toe. You should have said mow, toe. 4, 5, dive. 5, dive. Sew, 6, fix. 6, fix, rhyme. Let, tub, rub. Tub, rub. And our last one, no, red, head. Red, head. Good job. All right, the next game we're going to do is I'm going to say a sentence, and I want you to listen closely and tell me the beginning sound, not the letter, the sound of the words. For example, I might say, Violet's vase vanished, and you would say, V, because they all start with the V sound, the V. Okay, here we go. Mom bought me milkshakes. Beth bought beautiful bows. B. Fanny found 40 forks. Sally saw skeletons skating. Lions like long licorice. L. Upright umbrellas unlock. The U, And our last one, John joined Jane jogging. You should have said J. Good job. For this next sound, we get to make choppers with our hands. I'm going to say the onset and the rhyme, the beginning and end of the word, and you are going to do that as well and then squish it all together, okay? For example, I might say ip, and then you need to go ip, tip, okay? Let's get started. Ate. And you would go, ate, late. Good job. And. Good job. Soap. And then soap. Soap. Hive. Hive. Each. Beach. Good job. Amp. Camp. Est. Ill. Ump. And the last one, mute. I said that weird. Mute. Mute. Woo! I should have went mute on that one. Good job. That's the end of that game. Let's turn to the next one. The next game, instead of, I'm going to say 2 words, and instead of you telling me the beginning sound, I want you to tell me the sound that both words end with. For example, I might say bark, hike, and you would say k, because they both end with the k sound. Bark, hike. Okay, let's get started. Cube, rib. B. Gem, tame. What do they end with? Yak, bike. K. Fuzz, hose. Z. Keep, hop. P. Bad, ride. D. Bus, pass. S. Dive, have. V. Plan, cone. Good job. One more. Wait, get. T. Good job. You guys are doing a really good job. All right, this time I'm going to say the word, and I want you to chop it into the onset and the rhyme, the beginning and the end. For example, I would say late, and you would say late. Ate. Okay? Let's get started. Pond. You should have said pond. Okay? I'm going to say soap. Okay? Hive. Good job. Beach. Camp. Rest. Chill. You should have said chill. Okay? Jumo. And our last one, ick. Oh, I did that wrong, sorry. I'm gonna say pick, and you do. Good, let me do one more. Cat. Good job. All right, let's see. All right, I'm going to say a word, and I'm going to take off the beginning sound, and without that sound, I want you to tell me what is left. For example, I might say rake, without the is, and you would just say ache. Okay? All right, let's give it a try. Okay. Peat, without p, would just be eat. Weave, without w, would be eve. Meat, without would be just eat. Seat, without s, would be eat again. Keep, without k, would be just eat. Eam. Team without the t would be eam. Beat without b would be just eat. Well, this is making me hungry. Feet without f would be just eat again. And our last one, reach without would be just each. Good job. The last game, let me double check. Yes, the last game we're going to play today is really just nursery rhyme practice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a line of a nursery rhyme, and you're just going to echo me or copycat me, okay? So I will say, twinkle, twinkle, little star, and then I'll point to you, and you're going to say, twinkle, twinkle, little star. My turn. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good job. Sorry, I had to dance. All right, you guys did an awesome job. Pat yourself on the back.